Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my year of savings. And with my year of savings, I have $100 in prop money and some saving challenges that I am saving for different categories for throughout the year. So let's get into it. All right, so first we have our Save Every Friday of 2025. This is created by Mandy's Money _budgets. I got this off of Etsy. So let's go ahead and save. What is, the 23rd for this week. So let's get to $23. 20, 1, 2, and 3. And if you guys are new, what I do is at the end of the month, after I save every Friday of that month, I add it up and put an extra payment towards debt. So next we have Norella's Budgets Weekly Savings of 2025. And I am saving for my son's senior year. He is class of 2026, and that is right around the corner. So what I like to do for this challenge, you can either save for each circle, you can put an amount that you want. What I am doing is rolling a D8. Oh, look at God, $1. No, not look at God for real, but because I need every little penny I need, because senior year, this is my last child. Yes, it is. And we are going to make sure he is all set for his senior year. Praise the Lord. And with that, I have added this saving challenge here, and this is created by Save with Judy. What you do is save $5 for each icon. So let's put that $5 right here, and it saves $300. Cause he's already telling me like, Mom, I need this. He's in IB and AP English. So he has a book list of books he have to read for the summer to be prepared for next year for class. And I'm like, bless your heart. Fun fact, I was in IB English in my high school years too. So yeah, he has to get started with those readings, because if you don't get started, they can pile up on you. All right, and that is the $5. Perfect. What we got next? Next we had, here I go. Did I put the $5 in here? I think I did. So this one is Spring Fling. And this is created by Coco Chic Living. And this money goes towards anything for any fun family entertainment activities that we are going to do throughout the spring and summer. So we need funds for that if we're going to be outside. So what I want to try to do is, since I only put $1 in that one, what should I do? Should I just do the 8? I've been trying to put at least $8 in. Let's go ahead and do the 8. So we need a blue flower. So let's do a blue flower, this flower, and this flower for $8. Kind of want to put 10. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Should I just go ahead and put 10? Yeah, that's good. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, let's go ahead and put 10. So 8, 9, and 10. All right, so let's put 2 more. All right, so that should be 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. All right, so because we trying to have some fun in the sun. Yes, we are. We already went to our first festival of the year, and it was so much fun and so much yummy food. So yeah, I gotta keep that going. So next we got Santa's Coming to Town. This is created by Miss Chief Managed Budgets in Champagne's Corner. I kind of like just turned the covers around. So let's scoop some stuff out the way. So we are working on, I like to put at least $20 in this challenge. So we finished this one already. We are saving the games until the end. So let's do this one. Let's load up our $20 in a calculator. Can you guys, let's see. Can you see all that? Hold on. I think you can. Let's just move the binder out the way. Let's set that over there. And let's put that right there. I'm sorry for the glare, guys. It just, it's just raining outside. So I had to turn on the overhead lights, which causes a glare, and I kind of gets on my nerves. Okay, so let's see. What are we scratching? Let's go here. And that is a 4. So minus $4. Let's do this tree with the glasses. Cool tree. And that's a 7. Have you guys started saving for Christmas? Yeah, I feel like I'm late to the game. Okay, this is 3 to 9. Kind of feel like I'm late to the game. Oh, look at God. And that is a 9. So minus 9. That's the $20. But hey, I'm saving now, so that's great. Which I don't, I have teenagers and they don't, require much but cash. So $20 is going in here. Perfect. And next we have the save 2025 and 2025. Oh, first let's see. Hold on. Let's see how much we have left. 20, 35. Okay, I like to put at least $35 in there. So then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's see if I got $6 in this challenge. And this challenge is created by Lemon Ivy. So do I got a 6? This is her back to school. Well, it says school is cool. Let me see. What I say, $6? I don't have I got a 6. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, $6. Perfect. And $6 is the school bus. And this will also go towards like school supplies and all that stuff. So let's take the $6. Oh, I just noticed it says stars are worth. Oh, and it has stars on here. Oh, and they stickers. Oh, I didn't even see that. So this is like an 80 plus. Okay. I'm gonna have to see. That might be, each star is $1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so it could be like $89. I don't know. We had to think about that. Why am I just now seeing that? I don't know. So let's go back to the say 2025 and 2025. And this is going towards my taxes. So let's take the 20, 30, and 5. All right. So let's see. So minus what we have here. Let's put that $35 right there. So we got 27. And we got 8. Okay, 27 and 8. Perfect. So let's do this one. 27. And I know a lot of people don't like talk about that, but hey, I'm here to keep it real. So I am trying to, not only trying to climb myself out of debt, I am trying to prepare for the future, for the future also. So with that is a lot of ups and downs, in and outs, and a lot of learning curves. So I am learning as I go. But I am proud of myself because the younger me, which was just like last year, would have said, you know what? It is what it is. I'm going to pay it when I want. I mean, when I get to it, I'm going to live life. But life doesn't work that way. Now, does it? No. Because with that comes what? Consequences. All right. So I am putting the $35 in here. All right. Gems. Look at that. That is $100. And we saved, yeah. So thanks, Gems, for the love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, Gems.